first time trying this. It's supposed to be the top 10 place in Phoenix.
Man, look at that crust.
Look at that pizza. That's a pretty good. It's probably the best. It's probably one of the best looking pizzas we've looked at in the last 20 pizzerias that we've gone to. Again, this is a top 10. We're gonna test it out. This is cut up a slice here. Get your slice gummy bear. It's got a little flop, cheesy.
Very cheesy.
Very cheesy.
Jesus Christ.
Top notch. Everybody knows the rules. This ain't my saying. One bite. Everybody knows the rules. Who knows best? Gummy Bear, Eddie Kane, two fat guys. All right.
That's some really good flavor in there. Very good flavor in there. Some of it very cheesy.
Let me see. I know it's one bite, but that was a pretty good bite. One bite, everybody knows the rules. Who knows best? Eddie Kane, Gummy Bear, two fat guys.
Crust is really good. It's not too hard, not too soft. It's perfect. Got a nice crunch to it. Soft on the inside. Even the part that looks burnt, really, really good.
All right, get a little bit closer. This is a pizza. This is where we score the pizza. This pizza is definitely top 10 in Phoenix. I thought I never score it above Doughbirds, but this is an 8.5.
I was thinking 8.4.
Best pizza I've had to date. What is Gummy Bear rated?
I say 8.4.
Speak a little bit louder.
I mean, this is an 8.4 pizza.
8.4. That's our review. Who knows best? Eddie Kane, Gummy Bear, two fat guys. Thanks.